Hi, welcome to our video on uploading spreadsheets or CSV files. So not only can Yellowfin connect directly to a data source, we do also have the option of being able to upload a spreadsheet or the CSV file. So to do this, we're going to go to Create, Report, and this is where we'll import our CSV file. So traditionally, we would normally just select our data connection at the bottom, but this time we're going to select the option of Load CSV File. Now, Yellowfin is just giving me a message to say that currently I don't have a writable data source set up. If you already have a writable data source set up, it will skip this step. And if you're not seeing this step at all, you possibly don't have the rights and you need to speak to your administrator about getting that amended. So there's a few ways from this step that I can select what data source. I could either select an existing data source to make writable, or I could create a new one. For today, I'm just going to select an existing one. Okay, now I'm at the page of where I get to select the actual spreadsheet or CSV file. Simply select Browse Files, locate the CSV. You'll notice just on the right, there's a few helpful tips about the best sort of formatting for your CSV files to be in. So do take note of the date values and etc. There are also advanced settings that we can look at. So basically there's precision. We want to adjust between low precision and high precision. This just depends on how much data you have. Low precision only examines the first 1,000 rows to choose the data type that it should be. If you have a large CSV file, you can change it to high precision, and that means it will examine every single row of data to make sure that it's the right data format. Once I've done that, I can just select Next. So now we have a preview of what our spreadsheet looks like. At this stage we can do some formatting so that this displays appropriately whenever we drag in the fields for a report. So for example, my postcode's got decimal places. I'm going to format this, and I'm going to put 0 decimal places. I'm also going to remove the comma separator. Much better. I do also have the option to adjust the column names, and if your column names aren't appearing, or if they weren't the first column of your chart, you can tick or untick this option to add in those. To easily change the name, we can just double click and adjust the name. I'm also noticing that my date is showing up as a varchar, not as a date. So to fix this, I'm going to run a date conversion. So I'm just going to add a new function on the side and select the date conversion option. Here I just select the field name, so year. This pop-up just helps me, I have to tell Yellowfin what this date or how this date is formatted. So I simply click in here and type in how it's formatted. If you're not sure, you can just click on this I to get some extra help. So make sure you space it out exactly how it was, and you'll notice your sample data will go blue as you've ticked it along. If I press save on that, now my new column has been added. And it's a date format. Okay, now I'm ready to create a report. So I just hit the finish button, and then you'll notice you'll come to your familiar report builder page. So I can simply drag in a few fields just to sort of check that my CSV file is working. And it is. For more information about using CSV files in Yellowfin, check out our other videos.